Alright, so this is the Ikea. I'm just gonna pick it up, y'all, because this is heavy. So, okay. It's the SMÅSTAD. Y'all, I don't never know how to pronounce these Ikea products, so y'all gotta bear with me. I'll put what it is, the name down below. I'll put it on the screen. I'll put it on the screen, that's easier. But this is a bench. It's marketed for kids, but why? it's fucking perfect. Why is it marketed for kids? So yeah, I'm going to, it comes in 2 boxes, y'all. Let me show you. It comes in 2 boxes, and they're not light. They're not light, they're heavy. So let me take the stuff out the box so you can see how many. Y'all know about Ikea and their pieces, right? It's a lot. They have a lot of pieces, but at least their instructions are doable where you can put it together. Now, I recommend getting a drill. I don't recommend doing this by hand because if you, like me, who suffer from carpal tunnel, I wouldn't do it. But can you do it with a screwdriver? Of course. I think Ikea stuff comes, I'm not sure if this comes with any type of, because sometimes Ikea products come with screwdrivers that you can use. So let me open this up because I opened up the last one I had, but I don't remember what comes in the box. So let's just open it up and see. Okay, so I just wanted to state that I'll put the dimensions down below and the weight of these products down below. But I wanted to state that they come in 2 different packages, but you may just want the bench and not the storage chest. Like, you can use the bench anywhere in your house. But yeah, it does come separately. this is the bench. This is what it looks like. Like I said, the measurements for it be down below. So when you open it, that's how deep it is. And this is excellent storage to put under a window like what I have over there, which is, because I don't have that much wall space, y'all. So I have to find storage just up underneath the windowsill. So I'm going to push it over here. And then y'all can see where it's going to fit. It's going to fit right there. That's what it looks like right next to each other. Really good. And like I said, you can use these as benches, y'all. So if you want an entryway bench, you can use this as an entryway bench, and you don't have to buy the drawer. You can just use the bench. So, but I needed storage. So that's how it's looking. It's nice. Really, really nice. Simple. Not in the way. See, I still have walking space to around the desk. And okay, so I'm gonna put the stuff into the cabinet. All my filming things are going into this cabinet, and yeah, all my filming things are going into this cabinet. So I'm gonna prop this up. Okay, so as you can see, everything fits in there. All my tripods, my lighting fits in there. So now we just close it up and hide it. And so what I'm gonna do at the top, so this is where I'm gonna put all my shipping stuff, because I plan on starting a little business. So I want my shipping supplies to be up on top. So I already ordered my scale from Amazon. So I already ordered a scale. So I'm gonna put this here. So now that's there, and then I'm also going to get a Cricut, and that's going to go here when I actually buy that. So I already have my printer, so my scale, and I'm going to get a Cricut to go right here in this little area right here. So that is all I'm going to be doing today, y'all, because I got to put things back to where they're supposed to be. Even some of this paperwork and stuff, I need to get this stuff together. I just needed to get this little area cleaned up because it was just looking just too bad. So yeah, so I got some stuff off the floor, which is good. Now I have to just start throwing things away because, yeah, like I said, want to start a business, want to move, got to do all this stuff. So we got to get prepared to get things in order. So I'm going to end this video because it's going to be hell trying to edit it, number one. So, because I know it's going to be long, so I'm going to have to cut it short. So, I'll see y'all in the next video.